English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 32.
I'm really sorry I left all those boxes in your way.
That's all right. I'll help you move them.
I would like to apologize for keeping you waiting so long.
Don't worry. I could see that you were busy.
I'm so sorry I'm late.
Okay, but please make sure it doesn't happen again. There's a lot to do this week.
I really must apologize if your vase was broken when it arrived.
I'm afraid that's not good enough. I want a refund.
I'm really sorry I'm late.
That's all right. My train was delayed too.
I do apologize. I've left the files at home.
Don't worry. I have copies of them here.
I'm sorry. I've forgotten your last name.
No problem. It's Carson.
I would like to apologize for the bad line.
No need. The signal's always bad here.
I'm really sorry. I think I'm very early.
That's okay. We can have coffee first.
I'm so sorry. I took your cup accidentally.
Never mind. I've got myself another one.
I'm sorry that the room is so hot, Carl.
Yes, it is too hot in here. Please don't turn the heating up so high next time.
Sorry I missed your call earlier, Carl.
No problem. Have you got time to talk now?
Mr. Davidson, I do apologize, but I don't think I can finish the report in time.
I understand. You have been busy working on the other project, I know. Please get it to me as soon as you can, though.
I'd like to apologize for not being able to come to the meeting this morning.
Don't worry. I understand there was an emergency in the quality control department.
I'm really sorry. I forgot to put milk in your coffee.
That's all right. I prefer it without milk now anyway.
Sorry, Carl. I think I broke the photocopier again.
That really isn't good enough. I've told you so many times not to use thick paper in the machine. Now no one can use the copier all day.
I really must apologize for not calling you back earlier. I'm so sorry I was late for this morning's meeting. I'm afraid that's not good enough. I want my money back. I would like to apologize for the rudeness of our receptionist. That's okay, but please make sure it doesn't happen again.
I'm so sorry. I was writing an email when I spilled water on my keyboard.
I was working on my presentation when the CEO called me. The courier was driving to your office when her van got a flat tire.
We were signing the contract when our client received a text message. She walked into the room and saw that Clive was practicing his presentation. I was trying to make an important point when someone's phone started to ring. The printer was working fine when, unfortunately, the power went off. He opened the door and saw that we were listening to his conversation. We were eating lunch in the cafeteria when we heard the fire alarm.
End of Lesson 32.